The year 2060. An era where human hands are no longer needed. A fully automated smart factory. In this place, one last human engineer remained. 12 years. That was the time he had devoted to this factory. But to the system, 12 years was nothing more than a number. Numbers were posted on the corridor walls. Human defect-free rate, 94.2%. AI defect-free rate, 99.97%. That 5.77% gap erased one man's entire career. Team leader robot Aria 5, a sophisticated humanoid with glowing blue optical sensors, approaches Min-su with resignation papers. The robot's movements are fluid but unmistakably artificial. Min-su signs the documents with a pen that seems archaic in this digital world. The robot extends its hand in what might be interpreted as a handshake, but the gesture feels hollow. Efficient. That was the best farewell a robot could offer. Inside the storage room, things left behind by time were gathered. Discarded old model robots. And soon, he himself would join them.
Help! Help me! Words not found in its programming.
A machine never designed to ask for help was asking for help. The manual had no answer. But Min-su's hands held 12 years of memory. Min-su opened Bolt's log data. Thousands of records scrolled past, and within them he found a single pattern. What Bolt had been doing just before it broke down, transferring 10 years of self-accumulated process know-how to a new robot. The system deemed it inefficient and ordered it deleted. Min-su stands up slowly, his entire demeanor changing. The lighting shifts subtly, casting him in a more heroic light. Behind him, Bolt watches with its newly restored optical sensors. The composition suggests a moment of transformation. From defeated worker to determined advocate. His jaw sets with newfound resolve. What was erased for being inefficient? It was experience. Know-how that exists in no manual. Something forged only through failure and repetition. A machine that tried to protect it. And a human cast out because of it. Min-su realized what he needed to fight for. Instead of leaving, Min-su walked to the director's office. AI accuracy 99.97%. A number approaching perfection. But what Min-su wanted to ask about was the remaining 0.03%. 0.03%, let me fill that gap. Faced with a malfunction not found in any manual, the latest AI robots froze. But the human did not freeze. He reached out, even when he was wrong. He carved new paths from failure. Min-su came back. Not to the position he was fired from, but to an entirely new one. The unpredictable 0.03% always comes. The AI froze. But Min-su smiled. AI finds predetermined answers. Humans create questions that have never been asked, refusing to give up precisely because we are imperfect. That was the one ability only humans possess.